Judge 1, Alex Aspiran. Judge 2, Jamal Cusero. Judge 3, Sharma Digoya Buto. Again, attention teams and coaches. We will stop on bout number 22. Bout 23 to 32 will be played this afternoon. Next bout, please prepare and wear your gears now. From Bukod also, red corner, Jason Lampao. And from the blue corner, John Kenneth Kasuban from Itogon. And bout number 22, our last bout, Jerwin Lende of Sablan versus Eliezer Dapig from Bugyas.
Nagkalaban ka na. Okay ba?
Oh, naka-stepping na.
Anak ko yung umigit. Wala ko yung mas gusto.
Stop.
Winner for the bout, red corner. Advancing to the finals, we have Jonathan Nakalan of Mount Kaya, red corner.